Good evening, traders. Good evening, traders. So here we are for our tomorrow's trade on 22nd 10 2014. Before jumping into tomorrow's trade, I'll just quickly recap for our today's day. And we had Hindu copper, which is not yet triggered. It went in a downward direction, and nothing got triggered today. So we don't have any pattern in this particular one because it's already have breached down to KC low. So now I'm not seeing any setup in the particular Hindustan Petroleum. So this is off the table. Other one was SBI. I was looking SBI for direction. I have created a bull spread into this. See how the direction will move in a couple of days. If things will not turn around in the direction, so I'll cut off this trade entirely. But my usual target, which I'm looking for in this 850. So this is my trade which I have entered today. Other than this, I have also entered into HDFC Life. This is also one more trade I have taken. Same pattern, bullish spread. Why I have taken this trade, as you can clearly see that after taking a lot of support in a weekly chart, start moving towards the upper trend, taking upper direction. So base of which I'm just looking for this trade to be done till 892. This is the target I'm seeing for, and based on which I have created today the bullish spread, the particular strategy. Let's see how this behaves. So I'm right now into two trades. One is SBI Life and other one is HDFC Life Insurance. So this is the today's trade which I have taken. So before we start for tomorrow's trade, we are in. Let's quickly have a look up in the Nifty. So how the Nifty is behaving right now? Till yesterday it was in a down move, and it seems that it is quite near to the Fibonacci support level. But in today's move, it was quite above and then moved down and now created a inside bar of the recent Fibonacci candle. So this candle will be a decided one for our next couple of days movement. Let's see, will it go above or will it go down? So if it go down, that is still the prominent, all the things like trend, momentum, everything is support in the direction of downward. Let's see, is it really move in the downward direction? If yes, then we can create a bullish spread. Or if it's move in the upward direction, we have to see that will it be touch till 25 200? That would be initial resistance, and then the things can move upward. So I'm seeing the bearishness if things move tomorrow in a downward direction. So I'm seeing a bearishness and looking for something around 24,000 in the coming days. But if it doesn't work in my way, so it could move in a bounce back direction. So this can thing be turned up. Either it could settle up within the channel or it could go above that. So this is one more analysis for the Nifty one. And now we'll go and plan for our tomorrow's trade. The first one could be HAL. HAL I'm seeing as a long-term perspective based on the recent HAGB, Heiken-Ash Golden Bar, which is inside the red Heiken-Ash. So if it is move above that particular today's high, then I can look it into the long-term trade. But the weekly is not supported in the particular direction. So weekly uptrend and momentum both are in a negative phase, but things are improving the daily daily time frame. So this is my first standalone setup I'm looking for. Let's see, will it be really fruitful tomorrow or not? So that's the first one I'm taking tomorrow. Another one is I'm looking for is Jindal Steel. Why Jindal Steel? I'm just thinking for that it is again after a continuous downward trend. It's a pullback, and after pullback, they start moving again in the downward direction. So there could be a chance that it could turn up a good sell off. At least 50, 60 points could come down from here. So this is the one I'm looking for in the Jindal Steel. Cholafin and SBI Life is also having the similar pattern, but they are having a huge risk reward ratio in the context, but the setup is still intact in both the ones. And even if I will see that if I'll really take this tomorrow or not, because this is the first move. After that, there is a pullback, then the second move, and after that, it has created the HGV. So after second pullback, it is really move up to a certain extent. I'm quite skeptical about this. So need to really look for that will it really work in the direction or not. That's the first one. Second one could be SBI Life. In SBI Life, things has already moved quite a bit, and if needs to take support, it could be around 1648 would be its support for the things to, but it's right now it's already in the support direction, so things can move in any direction on this. So I'm not quite sure that will it be really a fruitful trade to take for in SBI Life. But yes, Jindal Steel is a quite promising one. Chola Fin can also be taken up, but it has a quite large uh, wide SL. Other one is Hindustan Copper. Hindustan Copper weekly trend is moving towards the downward trend. Momentum is downward trend, bearish. Uh, Daily trend is also bearish. Momentum is bearish. It's a second degree swing. If I'll see, so second degree means that long-term trend and long-term momentum are in downward direction, but short-term trend and momentum are moving in a upward shift. But it's not. Both are below the long-term trend. So now, as yesterday, there was a outside bar in HGB formation. Now today the inside bar in the hand copper. So if the things could move again in downward direction, so there can be a potential move of 40, 30, 40 points could be seen in the Hindustan copper. So that's what I'm looking for. So this is one more trade I'm targeting for tomorrow. These are some potential data I'm going to take tomorrow. This is only for my learning purpose. I'm not disclosing any uh, entry exit for anyone, so that they will not take as per my suggestion on this one. It just my trade, my thought, what I'm looking for in certain trades. If things will work it out, we'll discuss tomorrow. If not, I will discuss tomorrow. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Trade well. Bye bye.